This is the original full support. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and fits bands 26 through 56. B cups through P cups can fit in this one, sometimes A cups with petals. You can see that the neckline is a nice scoop neckline, and the straps are padded, which is very, very, very comfortable. This is one of our shortest camis, so it works best on short to balanced torsos. This is the back of the original full support cami. You can see that it has a nice scoop across the top of the back, and then the nice padded straps there that are super comfy and wide. And then you can also see that great paneling that goes across the back that gives structure and support for the weight of a heavier bust line, and also some wonderful back support. This is the inside of the original full support. As you can see, there's no seams under the cups. So it's got release points here and here for better breast health. The cups are molded so you don't get the uniboob factor. And then of course it's got the shaping panel across the tummy to bring in that muffin top and smooth that tummy area. This is the back of the original full support on the inside. You can see that it has shaping panels that crisscross across the top here, which is really great for adding more structure and support for larger bust lines. It distributes that weight better. And then as you can see, these nice padded straps have a pretty short adjustment, so that's good to know. And again, that great surgical grade silicone gripper on the bottom to keep it from rolling or sliding up.